So ever since I got this skirt, I was thinking of other ways to cord it. And I was thinking that Halloween is coming up. And before I make clothes for myself, I make clothes for my dolls. And the one Halloween series was the witch hat series. And there's the brown hat that I made before. Well, the clothes that I made for my dolls usually reflect what I wanted for myself. But what I really wanted to make for myself was actually this hat. You know, before I started making my own clothes and before I downloaded Pinterest, I thought I was so original. But nope, this is not very original. But I love it still. So that's the end goal. Now I'll show you the hat that I want to cord with the orange skirt. So I was looking all over YouTube for a witch hat tutorial. A lot of them told me that I should draft the perfect circle for the head space thing. But I really wanted to draft an oval, so I was trying to figure out how to do it. I end up with this old hat that I got from fast fashion. And then just add a light inside. And then put the paper over. Now I can trace the oval. And that's what I did. Ta-da! The oval! So I'm gonna keep this oval shape because it might come in handy if I'm drafting another hat in the future. But what I'm using today is actually the outline cutout, negative space. I cut a slit and I cut another, not all the way through, almost all the way through, so it can overlap. And this is so that I can actually draw the circle that is on this not fully circular hat shape. So just line it up with the hat. You have to measure that the top and the bottom to the center is roughly in the center before you cut up the hole, and then that's how I got my shape. If you watch last year's Halloween video, which is the cat hood cape, this is the fabric that I rejected, the leftover fabric of the first cape that I made that I didn't like how it looked. So I have just enough to make one witch hat. So that's great. It was not a complete waste of money. Yeah, you don't want to see me so cut off soon. So here's a impatient try-on of the hat. Everything is floppy, but I think my brim is a bit too floppy. I think I could have cut more. But to solve the hat being too big, I actually put a channel all around the hat, and then I used the drawstring to tighten it to fit my head better. Yeah. So here's another impatient try-on. I tried on the hat before I fully decorated it. So this is how it looks like. I think it looks cute. I didn't really record majority of the decorations, but I'm just gonna show you a bit of it now. So I didn't use any glue for this hat decoration because I have bad experience shooting with all the things that I've done with hot glue. They always come off. It sucks so bad. So yeah, now you see me poking the decorations on and twisting it at the back. This will prevent it from leaving. And then I'll do some tacking stitches to tag the sticks at the back. Yeah. If you didn't notice, I sewed all my decorations onto the ribbon so that I can do this. Ta-da! Oh my god, I can't believe it actually worked. You know, that's great. I swear it's completely unintentional, but I didn't know this outfit was incomplete until that day. little montage of how the outfit came to be, from a sketch to the final thing. I vlogged about this shoot, so it'll probably be a video in a later time. Now that I've finished making the witch hat, maybe one day I'll do the mushroom witch hat. It's in the workings. Bye.